First one, see here sir, LCM model 9. LCM model 9. Listen carefully. First we will read the question. What is the least number? There is a number which is least, which is minimum, which when doubled into 2 will be exactly divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 30. The number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21, 30 is nothing but the LCM. We have converted the entire statement into an mathematical expression. Now see here. Listen carefully. 12, 18, 21, 30. 21 contains a prime factor 7. 21 contains a prime factor 7. 2 is not divisible by 7. So n minimum should be divisible by 7. N minimum should be divisible by 7. 2520 is divisible. 1260 is divisible. 7 3s are 21, 7 6s are 42. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. 7 90s are 630, 726. 7 is not working. Next one. These 18 contains another prime base 3. 9 I am not taking a digital sum because all the, 9 I can take. 18 digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum will also be 9. Answer digital sum will also be 9. So 196 is eliminated. 196 is eliminated. Now see here. 196 is eliminated. Next one, 3 is a prime base. 3 is a prime base. Now, what are all the other values that are present in this question? Now, this is one way. What we will do is, we will go, because it is a least number. It is a least number. Let me take the smallest number. Out of these 3, 630 into 2 is 1260. 1260. 12 divides 1260. 12 into 105. 18, please check it out. 18 is 9 into 2. Digital sum is 9. Number is ending with 0. That means it is divisible by 2. 12 over 18 over. 21 is 7 into 3. 7 we have already seen. 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 30 is 6 into 5 or 10 into 3. 10 means unit digit is 0. 3 means sum of the digits is 0. So which number should be doubled? Answer is 630. Answer is 630. Again I am explaining. Please listen carefully. There is a least number n, which when doubled, I will get the number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21, 30. 12, 18, 21, 30. 18 digital sum is 9. Right hand side, if one number digital sum is 9. Left hand side also it should have digital sum 9. 196 digital sum is not 9. Option D is eliminated. 630, 120, 2520. Because it is mentioned that it is the smallest number, take 630. 630 into 2 is 1260. 1260. 12 is nothing but 4 into 3. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 3 anyway, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 18 is 9 into 2. Unit digit is 0, therefore the number is even. 9 means sum of the digits. 21 is 7 into 3. 3 we have already seen. 7 is 7 18s are 126. 30 is 10 into 3. 10 means unit digit is 0. So answer for the first question is 630. 630. I hope it is clear. Other than doing the LCM, which we did it, I am just giving you a thought which is quite different from the traditional method. Right? Next one. Next, smallest square number divisible by smallest square number divisible by 10, 16 and 24. Now see here, LCM of 10, 16 and 24. 10, 16 and 24. Now we have to go 10, 16 and 24. 24 is 8 into 3. So there is a prime factor 3 hidden here. If there is a prime factor 3 here, answer should also be divisible by 3. 16, sum of the digits is 7. 2500, sum of the digits is 7. Here one number is divisible by 3. So left hand side, this smallest square, it should also be divisible by 3. It should also be divisible by 3. So 2 are out. 900 is remaining and 3600 is remaining. Now see here. What is left in these? Let me take 900. 900 is 900 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 900 divisible by 16? 16 or otherwise what you can do is 4, 24. 24 is 8 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 8. 900. 8 11s are 88. 20 not divisible. Answer is 3600. Answer is 3600. Getting more than the answer. I am interested in developing this approach to you. 24. 24 is 8 into 3. Left hand side should be divisible by 8 and 3. Left hand side should be divisible by 8 and 3. 3, 1600 is out. 2500 is out. 900 and 3600. 900 is not divisible by 8. I hope it is clear. Second question. Third one. If a students of a class can be grouped exactly into 6, there can be 6 students in a group. There can be 8 students in a group. There can be 10 students in a group. What is the minimum number of students in the class must be? Minimum number is nothing but a number which is a multiple of 6, 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10. Multiple of 6, 8 and 10. 60 is not a multiple of 8. 120 is a multiple of 6, 8 and 10. So 180 is not a multiple of 8. 240 is a multiple, but the minimum number is 120. Minimum number is 120. You will learn a lot of concepts in today's class, sir. This is just the beginning. Right? So what am I doing is, the concept is divisibility based LCM problems. Divisibility based LCM problems. Please don't give answers. I am not interested in your answers. I am interested in making you listen to my class. Don't give the answers. Next, because there are a lot of concepts which I am going to explain by using a very different application altogether. A, B, C start running at the same time. A, B, C start running at the same time and at the same point and in the same direction in a circular track. In a circular track. A completes a round in 252 seconds. B completes the round in 308 seconds. C completes the round in 198 seconds. After what time will they meet again at the starting point? After what time will they meet again at the starting point? Meeting again at the starting point is nothing but the LCM of the time period taken by these three, TA, TB and TC. Each one of you is going. Suppose somebody is going at a 4 meter per second. Another is going at a 6 meter per second. If the distance is 12 meters, time taken by A will be 3 seconds. Time taken by B will be 2 seconds. When will they meet? When will 3 and 2 will meet? 3 and 2 will meet at a point known as 6, which is nothing but the starting point. So, the time taken to meet again at the starting point is nothing but LCM of TA, TB, TC. If three people are starting from the same point and in the same direction, time taken to meet again at the starting point, again in time, speed and distance, after linear track, circular track, I will discuss this point. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at a starting point. At a starting point is nothing but LCM of TA, TB, TC. TA, TB, TC. LCM of 252 seconds, 308 seconds and 198 seconds. 198 seconds. All are in minutes. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. 26 into 60 plus 18. Second option, 42 minutes. 42 into 60 plus 36. Third one, 45 minutes. 45 into 60. Fourth one, 46 into 60 plus 12. Please don't find out these values of 252, 308, 198. 198. Right? Now see here. 252. 252. Digital sum is 9. Digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Now if you see here, 4 plus 2, 46, 4 plus 6, 10, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 3. I hope it is clear, right? So if you see here, 8 6 are 8 into 6, 48. 48 is 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9. The digital sum should be 9. These over. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 9. This can be the option. This can be the option. 4 6 are 10. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 options are possible. 308 is nothing but 11 2s are 11 20 is there. If one number is divisible by 11, another number should also be divisible by 11. If I take B option, 42 into 60 is 2520. 2556 it will become. C, 45 into 60 is 2700. D, 46 into 6, 2760 plus 12, 2772. 2772. It should be divisible by 11. Sum of the odd places. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. These also not divisible by 11. 2772 is the answer. 46 minutes and 12 seconds is the answer. 46 minutes and 12 seconds is the answer. Harini says, why is the answer not 0? Why it will be 0, ma? When the time they are taking to complete a round is, each one is taking a different time. When you say answer is 0, you are saying that they will not take any time to reach at the starting point. Isn't it illogical? Isn't it illogical? 3 people, suppose you are starting from, if the college starts at 9:30, you started from home at 8:45. Somebody started at 9. Somebody started at 9:15. Can you say that the time taken to reach at the starting point will be same? Obviously, the length of the if the time is different, if distance is constant, I will explain that point. You are wrong. I will tell you why it is wrong. Right? See here. When I say time taken to meet again, there are 2 kinds of questions that are there. First is time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. For the first time on the track. For the first time on the track. This is one question. Another question is time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. At the starting point. Starting point is always L.C.M. of TA, TB for a time taken. In case if you are so curious to find out why it is L.C.M, you can WhatsApp me 80500 I can explain it to you why it cannot be 0. Logically also think it cannot be 0. Right? Next question. These are the 2 kinds of questions that can be asked. Next one. Next question. Now here onwards, beautiful questions will come, sir. This was our yesterday last question. Product of 2 numbers is 100. LCM is 25. Find the HCF. Yesterday I told a concept. Suppose if there is a number 6, another number is 9. HCF of these 2 numbers is 3. LCM of these 2 numbers is 18. 6 into 9 equivalent to 3 into 18. HCF is a factor of the number. A 3 will divide 6. 6 will divide 18. Number is a factor of LCM. That means HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF will always be factor of LCM. N1 into N2 equivalent to LCM into HCF. It does not matter which formula you are using. HCF is a factor of number. Number is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of 2 natural numbers equivalent to LCM into HCF. This is used only when HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of 2 natural numbers. Remember this extremely important concept. Then what is the answer for this question? This is 25. Some students who are very poor in mathematics might say the answer as 4. But 4 is not a factor of 25. 4 is not a factor of 25. Answer for this question is data inconsistent. Data inconsistent. What do you mean by data inconsistent? Data Rambabu, data inconsistent means there exists no two natural numbers. There exists no two. ఆ ఛార్జింగ్ కొంచెం లూజ్ చేయవా? There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this property. There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this example, in fact. Right? Now see, data inconsistency. Why it will be data inconsistent? Why it will be data inconsistent? There cannot be two natural numbers whose product is 100 and LCM 25. If I take 1 into 100, LCM cannot be 25. 2 into 50, LCM cannot be 25. 4 into 25, it cannot be 25. 5 into 20, it cannot be 25. 10 into 10, it cannot be 25. Mr. Bhupi Bagi Bhanu and Bharat, what you know concept is product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF. That is not a complete concept. Complete concept is to satisfy that one, HCF should be a factor of LCM. Without reading first point, you are reading point number 2. If anybody has taught you this formula, product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF, without telling that HCF should be a factor of LCM, they are cheating you in the name of teaching. They do not even know the basics of number system. Right? Product of HCF by default. HCF by default will be a factor of LCM. It goes without saying. It has to be a factor of LCM. Number is a factor of LCM. Why? Because HCF is a factor of number and number is a factor of LCM. So HCF is a factor of LCM. Rambabu? I hope it is clear. Please put a star mark on this question. Extremely important, which was our yesterday's last question. Next one. Next one. Please see this question. HCF and LCM of the two numbers. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF we got is 75. HCF we got it as 75. LCM it is 864. First check whether 75 is a factor of 864. 864 is a multiple of 4. But in 75, though no multiple of 4 is there. 75 is not a factor of 864. So, this question, there is an inconsistent data that is given. That numerical values which are given without even thinking. So, answer again for this question is data inconsistent. Data inconsistent. People are so much interested in R.S. Agarwal book without even knowing the concept. 75 is not a factor of 864. You don't need to divide it. 864 is divisible by 864 is divisible by 4. 75, right? 75 is not divisible by 4. Arun, wantedly I am skipping that question. Why? Because if I have to explain the question to you, I have to explain you a multiple approaches. There is a reason why even though I read the question, I am not going to explain it for you, because in a circular track, there are so many conditions that will come. There are, if in a circular track, two people are moving in the same direction, two people are moving in the opposite direction. If three are there, one is moving in this direction, two in opposite, two are moving in this direction, one in opposite. If I start this, you will ask a doubt this, you will ask a doubt this, you will ask a doubt this. So let us keep this in a circular track. When I am discussing in enrolled students, these videos are already there. Enrolled students will get close to 450 hours of videos. These are all, whatever I am teaching is an upgraded version and the new questions developed during this COVID effect. I hope it is clear. I will not discuss that one. Next one. I hope it is clear. Now, what is the concept? It is there. HCF into LCM is N1 into N2. When it is valid, when HCF is a factor of LCM. When HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is 16. 16 into 480 is, find the numbers. Find the numbers. It's you don't need to use any common sense. If I eliminate 0 in the question, 0 also I will eliminate it. What is 6 8s are? 48. Unit digit is 8. Answer option, unit digit should be 8. 8 6s are 48. Option is D. Option is D. Option is D. I hope it is clear. Again I am explaining. 16 into 480 is N1 into N2. If I eliminate 0, if I eliminate 0, 6 8s are 48. If I eliminate 0, 8 4s are 32. Unit digit should be same. Unit digit should be same. So the first one answer is 80 and 96. 80 and 96. In case if you want to use the traditional method, write down a note. Write down a note. N1 is 12. N2 is 18. HCF is 6. LCM is 36. 12 and 18 is 36. These 12 can be written as 6 into 2. 18 can be written as 6 into 3. 6 is nothing but the HCF of 12 and 18. H into Y. What is X and Y? Are co-prime to each other. Any natural numbers can be written as H into X and H into Y, where X and Y are co-prime to each other. Please write down this. N1 is 12, N2 is 18, HCF is 6, LCM is 36. So, very important point. This I am going to use it only when there is a need. N1 is H into X, N2 is H into Y, where X and Y are co-prime to each other. Please write down this point. Please use this only when it is required. Only when it is required. Use this only when it is required. Now, where I can use this concept? HCF of two numbers are 16. What will be the number? 16 into something, 16 into something. 40 is not divisible by 16. 60 is not divisible by 16. By using this concept, A and B is eliminated. 16 5s are, 16 6s are. LCM is 16 5 6 are 30. 16 30 is 480. 16 30 is 480. 16 into 30 is 480. I hope the logic is clear. Very important key points. See, if you are so bad in mathematics, I cannot do anything. N1 into N2 is LCM into HCF. 16 into 480 is, if I pick the fourth option, 80 into 96. Can't I eliminate this 0? What is 6 8s are? 48. Unit digit 8. What is 6 8s are? 48. Unit digit 8. It is matching. Simple thing of cancelling zeros also. If I have to explain going back to school, it's a waste of time for me. I hope it is clear. N1 into N2 is L into H. 16 is a factor of 480, so perfectly I can use it. Next one. HCF. HCF is nothing but 13. LCM. LCM is nothing but 455. If one of the number lies between 75 and 125, find the other number. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything. See this example. If N1 is 4, N2 is 6. What is the LCM? LCM is nothing but 12. What is HCF? HCF is nothing but 2. Can I say number is a factor of LCM? Am I right? 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. Number should be a factor of LCM. Number should be a factor of LCM. Number should be a factor of LCM. 78 is not a factor of 455. 91 is a factor of 455. Not possible, not possible. No finding out the numbers. No need to find the numbers. Logic se maro sir. HCF is 13, LCM is 455. Concept is number should be a factor of LCM. Number should be a factor of LCM. See this example. I have seen students doing the number as 13x, another number 13y. Waste of time. Waste of time. Directly faster methods we will discuss it in our class. Number should be a factor of LCM. I hope this idea is clear. Next one. HCF and LCM of the two numbers are 18 and 378. 378 is divisible by 18 because 378 is 18, 2s are 36, 21. So N1 into N2 equivalent to LCM into HCF. You don't need to multiply anything. 18 into 378 equivalent to, one number is 54, another number. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Unit digit is 4. Unit digit is 4. First option. 4 6s are 24. 54 into 126. 4 6s are 24. 4 4s are 16. 6 I need 4. 8 4s are 32. It is 2, not required. 8 4s are 32. This also you don't need. Unit digit is 4. Unit digit should be 4. 8 8s are 64. 4 4 into 6 is 24. This also you don't need. You can eliminate few answer options by using digital sum concept. 18, digital sum is 9. You multiply and check where the digital sum is matching. Are you all with me? If more than one answer digital sum is matching, then use the unit digit. Directly, please for God's sake don't multiply 18 into 378. Don't waste your time. If any teacher is teaching like that, he is wasting your time. You will not even clear your competitive exams. You will keep on writing that examination. There is a way to play T20 match. There is a way to play competitive examinations. I hope you are all there with me. 8 8s are 64. 4 6s are 24. Next one. Product of two natural numbers. Product of two numbers is 4107. N1 into N2 is LCM into H. This is 4107. HCF is 37 into LCM. These unit digit is 7. It cannot be 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. This is a possibility. 7 7s are 49. This is not a possibility. So there are two possibilities which we got. 37 into. Either it is 111 or it is 101. 101 is incorrect. Why? Because if 101 is closer to 100, what is 37 into 100? 37 into 100 is 3700. I require 4107. Answer for this question is 111. I hope you are enjoying the unique way of finding the numbers by using the unit digit multiplication. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Rambabu? Is it clear to you? Because what you have understood is wrong. Please read what you wrote in the live chat. How can we take that formula if HCF is not guaranteed as a factor of LCM? When did I say that HCF is not a factor of LCM? That example, that value in that example given is inconsistent. HCF will always be a factor of LCM. That two examples, you cannot blindly use the formula because the values which are given in the question is violating the basic definition of factor. HCF is a factor of LCM. Right? HCF will always be a factor of LCM. If he gave any numbers, it is like 4 is always divisible by 2. If he gives 4 by 0, then this is an exception. I hope it is clear. 4107 equivalent to 37 into L. Unit digit is 7. If this is 7, unit digit has to be 1. 7 1s are 7. So answer will be either 111 or 101. 101 cannot be the answer for two reasons. Method 1, digital sum. 4107. What is the digital sum? 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 12. It is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1. 111 is 3. 3 equivalent to 3. So it cannot be 101. Digital sum will not match. Method 2. If I take 101, 37 into 101, 101 is closer to 100. What is 37 into 100? 3700. But according to the left hand side, what it is? 4107. It cannot be 101. Either you can check by using digital sum or you can go by using the approximation values. I hope it is clear. I want everybody to understand it. Next one. Right? Next. N1 into N2 is L.C.M. into HCF. N1 is 1296 into 14818 is 478 is L.C.M. 6 into 8, 48. Unit digit is 8. Unit digit is 8. This is unit digit 8. LCM unit digit is 1 or 6. 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. Unit digit 1 is not there. Unit digit 6. Answer is 40086. 40086. I hope it is clear, right? Maheshwar Reddy, whether you are there with me, whether you are not there with me, it really makes no difference to me, right? I have seen some young YouTube people telling me, support me and everything. I have a content with me and I know that I can create a difference. I am not a stand-up comedian to make everybody happy. Next one. Is it clear? Next. I hope it is clear. Find the. Now there are few questions. These are all co-primes questions. Now this question we will solve. Few questions. Please write down, sir. These are very, very good question. First think, how many unordered pairs of positive integers? First write down a concept. Concept. Key point 1. Key point 1. Right? What exactly is your doubt, Srikanth? Please mention it clearly. What exactly is your doubt? They had not mentioned it follows rule of HCF and LCM. Who are these they? What exactly is your doubt? Mention the doubt clearly. If I think it is good, I will take it up in the class. Key point 1. Ordered pair. Ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Ordered, in other words, if 12 is there, 1 into 12 representing and 12 into 1 representing, both are different. A comma B and B comma A are not same. That means we have to take two cases here. 2 into 6 and 6 into 2. 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. All these are 6 different ways. 6 different ways. 6 different ways. 12 is 1 into 12, 12 into 1. 2 into 6, 6 into 2. 3 into 4, 4 into 3. Order in which you write the numbers matters. Order in which numbers are written matters. Numbers are written matters. Order in which numbers are written matters. When will you use ordered? Okay, first I will discuss ordered pair, then I will make the question to an unordered pair. unordered pair. Ordered pair means reverse also is considered as one way. Reverse also is considered as one way. Now listen carefully to this question, sir. Very, very good question. Srikanth, I have said one line. You did not heard my line. I repeated that line again. Second time also you did not heard that line. Third, because you did not listen, you are wasting my time in repeating that line. I will go back to that question. Which question it is? What did I say in this question? Is there any option which is either none of these is present or data inconsistent is present? Why do you think values are given in the answer option? If it is inconsistent, why you will get a value? Point number 1. Point number 2. What I said, I don't know whether you have heard it properly or I did not explain it properly. I said, if HCF is asked in the question, suppose if this is 478, assume there is an option none of this. Can't you check like this? 2 into 239. 2 into 239. All are even numbers. So 239. You can use the theory of osculation to check whether this number is divisible by 239 or not. If 239 is a prime number, if 239 is not a prime number, you can check the divisibility rule of composite number. I am repeating for the last time. If there is an option none of these, your doubt may be valid. There is no option none of these. He is simply asking you, the question which I gave it to you is, in this one, there are no options. If there is an option, so with none of these, then again it will result in a debate. I did not give any options for this question. I did not give any options for this question. I kept it open because that concept should come out. Here options are, 4 options, numerical values are here. So there is no question of checking whether HCF is a factor of LCM. Right? Next, this question. Note. For example, N1 is 6, which is 2 into 3. N2 is 9, which is 3 into 3. HCF of N1 and N2 is 3. So N1 can be written as H into X. N2 is H into Y. X and Y are co-prime to each other. First we will do this concept. Now see here. A is nothing but Hx. B is nothing but Hy. LCM of A comma B is LCM of Hx comma Hy. If common factor is taken out, X and Y are co-prime. LCM of co-prime is their product. Listen carefully, sir. 2 questions I will solve. So A is Hx, B is Hy. This is Hxy equivalent to 37. H into X plus Y plus Xy equivalent to 37. Till here clear, right? Any number can be written as h into x and h into y. LCM of a comma b is h into xy. This I will take it in a new slide. I am converting a and b into h into x, h into y. H into x and h into y. Till here it is clear, right? Next one. H into x plus y plus xy equivalent to 37. This is 1 into 37. The catch in the question is 37 is a prime number. 1 into 37. 37 into 1. This case is not possible because if h is 37, x plus y plus xy equivalent to 1. This is only possible when x is 1, y is 0, or x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. This case is not possible. Second case is eliminated. Second case is eliminated. Second case is eliminated. First case, h is 1, x plus y plus xy equivalent to 37. I will explain it in algebra how to solve the equations of the degree 2, but as of now, add 1 on both the sides. Add 1 on both the sides. So it is 38. X plus 1 into y plus 1 is 38. I am adding 1 on both the sides. 1 into 38. This case is not possible. X will be 0. 38 into 1. Y will be 0. 2 into 19 and 19 into 2. Two cases are possible. Two cases are possible under an ordered pair, not under an unordered pair. Please see this again and again. Again and again. We are not assuming A and B as co-prime. We are taking A as h into x and B as h into y, and then taking that into consideration. A and B are not co-prime. X and y are. One more question we will do it. A plus B. I am ready to create as many questions as possible for you, sir. There is no dearth of concepts with me. I have absolute command on the subject which I am taking. A plus B plus LCM of A comma B is 11. A is hx. B is hy. I hope Naveen the first point is clear. X and y are co-prime. Hx plus hy plus LCM of hx comma hy, it is 11. Hx plus hy plus h of Banu, I will come back to it. Good doubt you have asked. H into hxy equivalent to 11. H into x plus y plus xy equivalent to 11. If this is 1 into 11 or 11 into 1, because a prime number has got only two factors, 1 and itself. 1 into 11 and 11 into 1. This is not possible because if h is 11, x will be 1, x plus y plus xy will be 1. This will be x1 y0 or x0 y1. x0, y1. X and y cannot be zeros. Till here it is clear, right? Now I will take this case. If h is 1, x plus y plus xy is 11. This case is omitted. H into x plus y plus xy equivalent to, how much we got? 11. 1 into 11. This case we are considering. X plus y plus xy equivalent to 11. Add 1 on both the sides. 1 plus x into 1 plus y equivalent to 12. Now Banu, your doubt. This is 1 into 12. This is 2 into 6. This is 3 into 4. Next is 12 into 1. This case is eliminated, Banu, because 1 plus x is 1. X value will be 0. This case is eliminated because y value is 0. Answer for this question is 2 cases. 2 cases. Now in fact you don't need to do anything. If the right hand side is a prime number, always the answer will be 2. Always the answer will be 2. Answer will be 2. If the right hand side is a prime number, answer will be 2. I hope it is clear. Answer will be 2. Idea clear? Now we will take a composite number. Right? Next one. A plus B plus LCM of, will take a smaller number 12. 51 you can do it. 51 you can do it. A plus B plus LCM of A comma B equivalent to 12. A is Hx, B is Hy. This became Hx plus Hy plus LCM of Hx comma Hy equivalent to 12. Hx plus Hy plus Hxy equivalent to 12. H into x plus y plus xy equivalent to 12. Equivalent to 12. Which all cases are there? 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2. These are the total cases, out of which this case is eliminated. Are you all with me? This case is eliminated. This case is, I will come to that point, ordered or unordered. Please have patience for few minutes. After I complete, neatly I will put a table. Maheshwar Reddy, have some patience. 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. This case is eliminated. Now I will take it in the next slide. Till here is it clear? A is Hx, B is Hy. Hx plus Hy plus LCM of Hx, Hy is 12. H into x plus y plus xy is 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 12, and 12 into 1. And 12 into 1. Remember, right now I will write it. Ordered pair is A comma B is not equivalent to B comma A. Unordered pair is A comma B equivalent to B comma A. Because It is an unordered pair. Reverse I am not taking. This I will eliminate. This I will eliminate. Total 3 cases I got. Total 3 cases I got. Why? Because, Banu, if H is 12, if this is 1, x plus y plus xy is 1, that means x is 1, y is 0, or x is 0, y is 1. It is a positive integer. X and y cannot take 0. So this case is eliminated. This case is eliminated. Now see, because Maheshwar Reddy, I hope it is clear, ordered pair and an unordered pair. If it is an ordered pair, take all the reverse. If it is an unordered, do not take the reverse. Let me do it in the next slide. H into x plus y plus xy equivalent to 12. So which all cases? 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. And 3 into 4. This is eliminated because x is 0, y is 0. 4 into 3 and 6 into 2. These are there. First we will do it for an ordered pair. Ordered pair. All the cases we will take. All cases we will consider. All cases. First case, it's a little time taking but a very good question. If H is 1, x plus y plus xy is 12. If the degree is 2, add 1 on both the sides. X plus 1 into y plus 1 is 13. I am adding 1 on both the sides. 13 can be written as 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. 13 is a prime number. Both the cases are not possible. Why? Because in the first case x is 0 and in the second case y is 0. X cannot be 0 and y cannot be 0. That means if I take this number, if I add 1 to this number, I will get a number which is a prime number. If it is a prime number after adding 1, that case has to be eliminated. So this case is eliminated. If this is 6, if I add 1 to it, 7. 7 is a prime number. That case is eliminated. If it is 4, if I add 1 to it, 5. 5 is a prime number. It is eliminated. If I add 2, 1 to 2, it is 3. 3 is a prime number, eliminated. Even though it looks like 6 steps, it finally came down to one equation. What is that one? X plus y plus xy equivalent to 3, which is x plus 1 into y plus 1 equivalent to 4. 1 into 4 not possible. 4 into 1 not possible. Only case is 2 into 2. Only case is 2 into 2. Slightly lengthier question, but if you understand at every step, you can minimize the steps. You can minimize the steps. H into x plus y plus xy it is. I am doing the question for 11 for your information. 1 into 12. 12 if I add 1 to it, it is 13. 13 is a prime number, not possible. 6 if I add 1 to it. 7 is a prime number, not possible. 4 if I add 1 to it. 5 is a prime number, not possible. 2 if I add 1 to it. 3 is a prime number, not possible. Only 2 cases we got. X is 2, y is 2. When H is 4. When H is 4. Any calculation mistake? Please take care. Is the logic clear to you? Is the logic clear to you? Sorry, if it is 2 into 2, x is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1. I took a composite number, right? So it is 12. 12. Is it clear? Or should I repeat it once again? How many students want a repetition? How many want a repetition? Please reply it in the live chat. Please reply it in the live chat if you want a repetition. Should I take one more question? Should I take one more question? Right. Zaha says repeat. Banu says problem is for 12 composite number. Now, I will repeat with another value. Listen carefully, sir. Repeat. I am taking 25. I am taking 25. Everybody is saying repeat. That means probably I need one more time explanation with a different number. A plus B plus LCM of AB is 25. A is HX. B is HY. Step number 1. HX plus HY plus HXY equivalent to 25, which is H into X plus Y plus XY equivalent to 25. 25 can be written as 1 into 25. 25 into 1. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. Second case, step 2. Step 2. X plus Y plus XY if it is 1. That means X is 0, Y is 1. Or X is 1, Y is 0. X and Y cannot be 0 because it's a positive integer. Second value is eliminated. Step number 1, step number 2. Only 2 values I got. 2 values I got. 1 into 25 and 5 into 5. Till here clear, right? I will take this case as a step 3. Step 3. H into X plus Y plus XY. This is 1 into 25. If it is 25, if H is 1, X plus Y plus XY equivalent to 25. This is adding 1 on both the sides. X plus 1 into Y plus 1 is 26. 1 into 26. X will be 0. 26 into 1. Y will be 0. 2 into 13. Possible. 13 into 2. Possible. Answer I got 2 cases, which is this case and this case. Step number 3. H into X plus Y plus XY. It is 5 into 5, which I will do it in the next slide. H into X plus Y plus XY. Step 3. Till here is it clear? Till here is it clear? Till here is it clear? Why only 2 is there? Because here also X 0, Y 0. X and Y cannot be 0. Till here any doubts? Till here any doubts? Till here any doubts? Any doubt, please ask me. Please ask me. You know that 5th and 6th sessions are advanced level. Any doubts? If you got a doubt, mention that doubt. So till here you are moving in the correct direction. Now, step number 3. We will do one more problem. There is no dearth to the problems. There is no, I will not shy away by giving you easy problems. If h is 5, x plus y plus xy is 5. Adding 1 on both the sides. X plus 1 into y plus 1 is 6. 1 into 6. 6 into 1. 2 into 3. 3 into 2. X and y cannot be zeros. Again 2 values I got. 2 plus 2. Total 4 values will satisfy this equation. 4 values will satisfy this equation. Now I will do the previous question, which is 12. Very easily you will understand it. 2 values here, 2 values there. Now see here. This is 12. If it is 12, A is hx, B is hy, B is hy. This will become h into x plus y plus xy equivalent to 12, which is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Ordered pair all these cases. Ordered pair only we are doing. Ordered pair. This case is not possible because x will be 0, y will be 0. If I take this case, if h is 1, x plus y plus xy equivalent to 12, adding 1 on both the sides, x plus 1 into y plus 1 is 13. 13 is 1 into 13, 13 into 1. First case x will be 0, second case y will be 0. X and y cannot be 0. That means if this is 12, if I am adding 1, I am getting prime number. Prime number, both the cases are cancelled. If it is 6, if I am adding 1, I am getting 7. Both the cases are cancelled. If it is 4, if I am adding 1, 5, both the cases are cancelled. If it is 2, if I am adding 1, both the cases are cancelled. This case, slowly you can do it a little later. X plus y plus xy is 3. This will become x plus 1 into y plus 1 is 4. 4 will give you only 2 into. Forget about this question. Please tell me this answer for this question. First question. A plus b plus ab equivalent to 12. A and b are natural numbers. How many values it will take? A plus b plus ab equivalent to 12. How many values it will take? If I add 1 on both the sides, a plus 1 into b plus 1 is 13. 13 is 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. First case will give you a value 0. A and b are natural numbers. Second case will give you b value 0. So answer is no value for a comma b. Directly you can say it is no value if on adding 1, if I am getting a prime number. That is what I was trying to put it into your mind by giving so many values. A plus b plus ab equivalent to 28. A cat replica question. A and b are natural numbers. How many values AB will take? Tell me the answer. 28 if I add 1 to it. 29. 29 is a prime number. So answer is no values. Is this clear to you? Is this clear to you? Everybody, is it clear to you? Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, kindly reply. I am sure everybody must have understood the depth of the concept. Depth of the concept. My PPT, I will only prepare. Structure, I will only prepare. Answer options, I will only keep it. Removing the answer options, I will only do it. When I am preparing the PPT, everything what I studied in L.C.M. and HCF, I write it on one board. Then I will write every possible question that can come in examination. That can come in examination. I will twist the question. I will tweak the question. I will change the domain of the variables. I will change from ordered to unordered. I will do every possible thing with a question. I am a director of my class. I do a lot of extensive research in the back to make 2 hours the most